Hey guys, Jamie here, and in this video we're going to be doing, in my backyard. It's Florida, it's raining, and in this video we're going to be tearing down the existing fences around the property and putting up a new fence. And so let me take you on a little tour here and show you what we're doing. Alright, so I've already torn out the fence that was here. Okay, my neighbor is going to tear down his chain link fence when he gets home today. We're going to be tearing out all of this fence today, and I'm going to tear out my neighbor's fence over here. Okay, so I'm going to be tearing all that out, and then those fence up there I'm going to tear out. Then I have to get behind this bamboo, okay, and clear a path so I can put up the new fence. All right, you can see this bamboo is right up to the fence here. This guy here is growing all the way through the fence, mostly on the other side of the fence. So I gotta tear it all out, which sucks because I really like this Buddha belly, but I can't put up a new fence here with that in the way. So after we get the fence down, I'm going to go back and I'm going to clear this bamboo back about a foot, hoping that it starts to grow out this way a little bit, and otherwise we're going to have to take all this bamboo out, which I don't want to do. I like it, but if I got to do it, I got to do it. So, but first we got to take this whole fence down. Okay, so I'm going to set the camera up somewhere and just kind of time lapse this next part. All right, so that's it. Let's get started. Alright, so here we are in the morning, day after my camera got full, and so it didn't get all of the time lapse that I wanted, but you can see we got the chain link fence down. We got all of my fence down here. I got a pole here just waiting to go in. We also cleared a path down the center. Let's see, so hopefully that's enough space there cleared from the bamboo. I've got the bamboo laying here. We dug it out, and then we also got stuff I got here. I got a hole I gotta fill, but hopefully I might have to pull back the bamboo just a little bit more. And then we took down my neighbor's fence over here, so you can see it over there. And it's pretty much today is going to be posts and panels, and then I'll eventually get to building some gates, but that's where we're at now. Right now there's no fence. Alright, so I'll probably set up the camera again, try to do some more time lapse, and see how it goes today. Alright, so this is the end of day 2. So day 1 we cleared all of the fences. Day 2 we got up one line here, the back line. We're going to put a gate right here, so that's a gate. And then we got all the way to the end. So you can see a couple of areas here where like the panels from Home Depot are, you know, not very flat on the bottom. And that's okay. I think when we get our landscaper guy in here, we're gonna put like crushed shell and stuff, and so I think that we'll be able to level that out and hide that a little bit, so I think that's fine. And so you can see the fence behind here. Now what happened on the end here, you can see here where I've got these extra stringers, is we got to the point where behind here, I don't know if you can see, there's a really big tree, okay? And down there, there's the roots are huge. I mean, like huge roots. You can see the root coming through here. So what I decided to do was just extend my stringers on to the end and put up pickets to where, you know, to finish it off. And then that way I could, with doing the pickets, I could adjust it based on the flow. And like I said, I think when the landscaper comes, we'll be able to hide most of that. But there was absolutely no way I was putting in a post right here because of the root and the giant roots that are here. There's absolutely no way. So what I decided to do is just extend that panel. And it's secured to there. It's secured to there with a bunch of nails, and I think it's going to be good. We'll see if it's going to hold. It should hold. It's only a little bit more. It's only an extra 4 feet past the stringer. So that stringer there is the end of the 8 foot. And so it's only an extra 4 feet onto the end. And I think it'll hold just fine. It seems to hold just, you know, wiggling around. Tomorrow, which will be day 3, will be this run. And then I'll probably start working on gates to put up a gate here, gate there, and then a gate on the other side around the corner. All right, so that's it, and we'll see you in the morning. Alright, so here we are. The remainder of my video got destroyed somehow, and so I'm just going to walk around and give you a quick tour of the way I finished things up.
Okay, so you can see here in this one I took a piece of the panel, and I basically made a gate out of it. So what I did was I took these pieces here and I screwed these pieces on. You can see I used pocket holes, okay? And I put this piece, I cut this piece out. This is existing piece for the panel, and so I cut it short, and so that I could put my 2x4 here for extra support. And then I cut through the middle of it this way, and then made this cross piece to support from the bottom hinge to the top, to support, to keep it from sagging. Okay, and so this is actually a pretty wide gate. It's like 5 feet, and so far it's been maybe about 2 weeks since I did this. I didn't realize I lost the video, so this is a couple weeks later. So I put a little piece here, a little piece there. I wanted the hinges to be supported by a corner. Okay, so I have that piece in the corner that comes around, so that piece is held up on a corner, which helps support the gate. In other news, we've installed a tiki hut back here, which is going in, and then we're gonna basically clear out all this area and put like shell down and put some other stuff. But this is that's gonna be for another video. Built another gate back here, same kind of thing. This one's a little bit shorter, it's 4 feet. Cut through the middle, put some support pieces in, and then installed the gate hardware, which is pretty easy. And then finally, in this other corner, did the same thing. Basically a 5-foot gate. I wanted to do a 5-foot gate to make it easy to get in and out of here. So that's what that is. I don't know if you can see it or not. The glare is pretty bad. So that is it. I lost the video of me making the gates, but hopefully by just explaining it to you, that should be able to get it. It's pretty simple. Just the cross piece cut through the panel. Alright, that's it, and starting to shape up a little bit, starting to look like a pretty nice little backyard. So I will post this video up, and any questions or comments or concerns, please post them down in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.